My name is Viktor Jebsen. I'm a project manager here at Hyrljudet. I have been in the commercial install business for 6.5 years, since I started here at Hyrljudet. My main task is working with the install business, and my customers are mainly restaurants, hotels, bars, and in some occasions the retails. My first impression of the Lab Gruppen CA series amps is the size, the energy classification, and that is a Lab Gruppen product. I'm extremely positive about that it's a fanless amp. It's quiet, reliable, and it fits in at even the smallest bars or restaurants. For me, it's really important to be able to present a product to our customers that is cost effective and also doesn't conquer too much with other machines such as dishwashers in restaurants. The energy saving is something very positive. We have been waiting for this type of product from Lab Gruppen, and we at Hyrljudet are really happy to be able to install these amps, both cost effective, great size, and really reliable. We are really happy to see that Lab Gruppen is entering the commercial installment business.